Wired media are the physical cables that guide signals between devices. We will build an intuitive picture of the three main types: twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic, and when you might choose each one. First, what is wired media? It is any solid physical conductor, like copper or glass, that keeps signals on a defined path. In contrast, wireless media sends signals through the air. Here, a cable carries the signal predictably from device A to device B. Above it, radio waves represent wireless transmission. Wired is usually more secure and more consistent because the path is contained inside the cable. Now, the first major type is twisted pair cable. Two insulated copper wires are twisted together to reduce interference. Unshielded twisted pair, like Category 5E or Category 6, is the most common in local networks. Shielded twisted pair adds a foil or braided shield around the pair to resist electromagnetic noise. Twisted pair is inexpensive, flexible, and easy to install, but each run is typically limited to about 100 meters. Second, coaxial cable. Picture a single copper core, an insulating layer, a metallic shield, and an outer jacket. Coax has better shielding than twisted pair and can carry higher bandwidth over moderate distances. You will see it in cable television and broadband drops. It is bulkier and more expensive than unshielded twisted pair, and its connectors can be a little tricky. Third, fiber optic cable. It uses glass or plastic to guide light. A core carries the light, and cladding keeps the light inside by reflection. There are two main modes. Single-mode fiber has a very thin core and uses laser light for extremely long distances. Multimode fiber has a thicker core and uses light-emitting diodes for shorter distances. Fiber offers extremely high bandwidth, very low loss, and immunity to electromagnetic noise. The trade-off is higher cost and more careful handling and connectors. Let us compare at a glance. We will summarize typical bandwidth, maximum segment length, susceptibility to interference, cost per meter, and installation difficulty. So, when do you choose which? For a small office or home network, use unshielded twisted pair, Category 5E or Category 6. For a cable television or broadband drop, use coaxial cable. For a campus backbone or high-speed data center links, use fiber optic. Quick recap. 1. Wired media physically guide signals and are more secure and predictable than wireless. 2. Copper-based cables include twisted pair, which is cheap and common, and coaxial, which has stronger shielding. 3. Fiber optic gives ultimate bandwidth and very low loss, but at higher cost and with more careful installation. Let me know if you want more detail on connectors, attenuation, or wiring standards.